T's and C's apply. All right, we've got Anonymous on the line. 23 minutes after 10 o'clock. Good morning, Anonymous. It is Ask a Man. Are you ready, Anonymous?
Yes, I'm ready.
Are you okay, Anonymous?
I will be. I will be. I
Thank you
will
for
be.
Thank you for building the courage to be able to ask a man today. I'm going to read you the house rules. The Naked DJ and Somizi are in studio. I'm coming to you live from McDonald's out in Sandton Rock and Roll, but we're right here. Respect is the foundation of our conversation. Maintain respect for language. Refrain from any swearing or use of profanities, Anonymous. Our responsibility is to protect your identity, and your responsibility, Anonymous, is to kindly extend the same courtesy to protect the identity of the people, the person you'll be speaking about. Anonymous, do you agree, my love?
I agree.
All right, talk to us.
Good morning, Somisa. Good morning, Naked, and to you too, Kuts.
Morning.
Yeah, it's a tough one. At the current moment, the guy that I'm seeing, we recently met. Like we actually been talking, but then we started dating. Actually, on my birthday, I was celebrating, and then he pitched. So I was not aware the kind of guy he is. So yeah, it just all moved fast. I'm a person who believes that when something happens, it's for a reason. So what happened is that I started seeing, we Zimba started roaring, and then everything just went fast. And then I just recently picked up that this guy is not working. He has no plans. He's so broke that he doesn't even know where the next meal is gonna come from. And then I'm working myself. So
How? Anonymous. You
he
are his plan. You are
so
his plan. Do you not have food?
I
Or,
do.
or what's the only thing that you want to serve him? He can't live on that alone.
The thing is that I've fallen in love with this person, ne? And then what happened is that he came to my place, and then he stayed there for like a week, and then I picked up that the person whom he was renting from, and then he called, and then he got me involved to a point whereby he asked me to lie for him that he's in hospital and stuff like that. So what happened is that I just realized that he's owing for like 4 months of the rent. So what happened is that today I just decided that he needs to go and just try and find a job. So he's currently stuck in a different province right now, and he's trying to call me. I'm not picking up his phone, but my spirit tells me that I need to help this. I don't know why do I feel that way, and I've lost concentration at the current moment. Truthfully, I do very well when I'm single. I don't mind being single. Like I do well, and I can get myself to do anything. Like I can afford anything and enjoy. But then since he came into my life, like my bank account is on, yeah, zero. So
Did I
I'm
hear
trying to find
baby
out.
in the background?
No, no, there
Okay.
isn't. I'm
Oh,
at
okay.
work. I'm actually I stepped outside.
Oh, okay.
So I'm trying to find out, should I keep on helping this guy or what? Because he does have, I don't know whether I'm just being paranoid or I'm being crazy. I feel like he has pure intentions because he actually told me every single detail that's there. He's been truthful and honest,
From the get go.
and from get go. The only problem is that he's not fortunate, and we've picked up. That's why I'm saying that spiritually, when some things happen, you believe that there's a reason. We've picked up. I've had dreams about his family, and then he confirmed them, and then he's trying to get help, but then now the problem is that he's draining my pocket.
Hmm.
And I've fallen in love, and I'm losing concentration. I'm even scared that I might even lose my job because of you.
Do you think he's in love with you because of what you can provide? Do you think he's truly in love with you, Anonymous? I
Well,
mean, even now he's stuck in another province and he keeps on calling you and calling you. Like, are you his financial plan, or are you the person that he loves? See, now
Well,
there's a thin line between the two.
when he asked me, he said, okay, he's going to another. His friend actually called him, so they have like contracts, temporary contracts that they do. So his friend called him, and then they actually arranged last night that they're gonna meet up and then go to the mall and start doing what they do. They normally get paid daily. So the friend is ghosting him.
They do what they do at the mall,
Yeah.
and they get paid
No,
daily.
yeah. No, it's nothing hectic. It's more like, what do they call them? Those people who stand and advertise or do whatever.
Promotions. He does promotions.
It's something like,
Are you
yes,
sure he
something
does
like that.
promotions?
Yeah, he's like, he did that. Like, I remember the other time I'd call him, and the other time I visited him, they were busy. So
Oh,
that's
and
what I'm saying. He's been honest.
okay.
His honesty is like on the silver platter. There's nothing that he's lying about.
Okay, so he's
Just
draining your financial pocket, but he's filling, that heart with all that it needs. All right, we're gonna hold it right there, okay?
okay.
Kuzo, should we go to Khupedi just for a little bit, and then we'll come back with Somizi and Khupedi.
Yes, please, Naked appreciated. Khupedi Dilongwe, here she comes.
SABC News, independent and impartial.
In our headlines at 10:30, the Ndimande brothers linked to the AKA murder case have arrived at the King Shaka International Airport in Durban. And National Director of Public Prosecutions, Advocate Shamila Batoy, will today appear before Parliament's ad hoc committee looking into concerns of national security. Details at 11.
Coming in hot, just like a sauna.
We own summer.
It's the vibe.
This is Metro FM.
Being outside.
It's where you want to be. Feeling good.
All right, it's 31 minutes after 10 o'clock, loud and clear, coming to you live from Santon Rock and Roll. It's celebrating McDonald's, 30 years of McDonald's, but right now it is all about you, Anonymous. A bit of a recap. Anonymous started dating a guy and says things between them just have moved very fast, but she's starting to pick up that his financial problems are worse and worse than she thought, right? She's already in love with him, wants to help, but this is all a bit too much for her. His financial problems are draining her pocket. Anonymous, I hope I'm right. Naked DJ and Somizi, I hope I'm right.
I think you're spot on.
Yes, you're
Anonymous?
correct. Yes, correct. So I just wanted to find out. I just want from a guy's perspective. If now you've picked up that there's family drama, there's like mutis involved, and then you feel like part of you can help, like the lady can help you. What are you to do? Even though you see that financially it's gonna just you're gonna become broke. Like
From
so broke.
no. Then you're not asking from a guy's perspective. Because from a guy's perspective, if I didn't have any money and somebody seemed to be financing everything, that's where, and it's actually strange, but that's where my energy is going to be focused. I'm going to focus my energy at that person and make sure that I keep that person happy. Because Anonymous, if you go away, then what happens to his finances? Then they are at zero. Now that's from a man's perspective, right? But then there's also guys that I've never met a guy that said he wouldn't take money from a woman. I've never.
He doesn't ask money from me. Like what he normally does, he'd call home and then, well,
So what's your
I'm like,
what's your problem? Yeah, you want money
They
from
do-
him.
they don't want to help him. That's the thing. And then he needs help in a way that he needs to. I don't know. I can't even take, because I'm in a different province where I'm just here for work. I can't even take him to church because I don't know anyone here. I feel like he needs that kind of help to detach from the family, because they doing like the dreams that I've had. They're not nice dreams. You see. That's why I'm saying I feel like I'm the one that needs to help him. But then now, how do I separate that from my finances? Because he's here.
You've called
He's
the right place. We have Somizi in the house. As far as finances and spirituality is concerned, you couldn't have called a better man. Somizi, mthathe Bobby.
I'm trying to. Can you hear me, Anonymous?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah. Wena kahle kahle yini inkinga yakho?
I don't know. I feel like he's gonna end up being comfortable and not being able to deal with his problems the way I'm so keen to deal with them.
And you feel like it's gonna at some point it's gonna be too much to handle.
Yeah. And even if I let him go, I feel like if something happens to him, I'll live with the guilt forever.
You can't. How long have you known this person?
That's what I'm saying. It's so strange. I can't even explain it.
How long
It's
have
so
you known
strange.
this
2 months.
Hi, wena.
Hi, Somizi. It's love. How?
Hi,
She loves
Soga.
him, Somizi.
Yini marikela batobazana na mari.
Uyamthanda.
Family, don't
Ni
judge.
family.
Ngisho wena, family, don't judge me.
Si family kanjani?
No, like,
This.
Are you Alexium?
Somizi. No.
Wait. Are you a gay?
You Somizi.
no, I'm not.
Si family kanjani? What mina na si
I'm
family?
not.
She's anonymous.
So si family mina na.
How? Uyabona?
No, githi asiko asina pari. Asina pari githi, sina pari. Sina pari githi, never. Sina pari. Ngeke. Yo.
It's not about umbari. It's about helping someone.
No.
You know?
I'm from an era yabo sisa bagqoka ama wrap around sis. Yabo sisa bagqoka ama phenduka sis. Yabo sisa bagqoka ama rose moda. Uyangizwa? Nekhavela.
Viscose.
Viscose. Please.
Helen cut.
Ngiyakutshela. Hawu. Abasisa bakhathi Tony Braxton hayi wena. Yo, ngazongitshela. Akunamabhari kithi. Yo. 2 months.
No, but Somizi, why don't women ever wanna be our blessings?
No, there's
She
nothing
is
wrong.
his blessing.
There's nothing wrong with that.
Yes.
There's nothing wrong with that. But how but so prevent kanjani ama scammers?
Hayi wena ufuna ukupreventa manje.
Yeah, so prevent kanjani ama scammers?
Oh, ama scammers.
Yes, because what if this guy is scammer and you're not the only one I'm scammer?
If he was scamming me,
Yeah.
he wouldn't like. Okay, here's the
He
thing.
wouldn't
That's why
what?
I'm saying that
You wouldn't what?
he wouldn't. I wouldn't even talk to his mom. I wouldn't even like.
Lavi, lalela
I spoke to his mom as a friend, not as a girlfriend.
wena. Have you met a family Emma scams bonke? Have you met a family opposite kithi bokune family bangama shoplifter bonke?
Somizi, no, Somizi. No, Somizi.
Bonke. Yezwa?
No, Somizi.
Bonke. Itulazi.
No, Somizi.
Beziwa kubo.
No, Somizi.
The yellow family. Ngiyakutshela. So yongalinge. There are families who are in it together, and it's their syndicate. Ngiyakutshela, please wake up, sissy. 2 months. Sis. Sis. Don't be confused. I always say the piplotter is dangerous. How is his piplotter?
Yeah.
Na inkinga yakho. You are operating from a place of cerebrotical. Cerebos. Upipitletsi. You are ihleli la entabeni ula. Excuse the pun. Girl, don't confuse what you feel on the ground floor. Don't confuse it with what's happening in reality. That is your issue. That is your problem. Don't. See what happens if you stop the supply, but don't leave him. see what happens, because certain people, you need to set your boundaries to see if they are there for you or they are there for what you give them. Stop it. I created this saying, this quote in 1913, right? I said, be careful what you do for someone when you first meet them, because it can be easily confused. They can easily fall with your hand and not your heart. You understand? We look text I.
No.
So see what happens when you stop the supply, the material supply, and see what happens, because you need to also prepare yourself for days when you don't have, because there will be days where you don't have. We don't always have. You understand?
Yeah.
And you don't want it to happen when you're thinking which this person is there for you, Kanti, they are not there for you. See what happens when you say, for this month, just say, hey, Gooby, good rough. Just pretend.
He's away.
Yeah?
He's away. He's away, that good rough. He's away.
Yeah, don't give him anything, but let's see if he's there for real love. But 2 months, and it's and usanga protection. Nenzene skune.
I very. I played safe. I played safe.
Nenzenge condom.
No, we get tested before we did it.
Hey, wena uzomita. Wena. Yes, naked ne.
I'm scared of.
Organjan ne. Mfuna this time, mfuna South Africa, dealing I thoroughly. Like for this next 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Mfuna South Africa, dealing I organjan.
I completely agree with you, Somizi.
Yeah. Because I've never in my life.
Yeah. They must send through those voice notes.
Yeah.
I'm at a loss for words.
Anonymous, I wash my hands.
Quick one.
As your relationship.
Okay. Let's leave the relationship part.
Yeah.
What do you do now if you feel that spiritually you need to help the like, if it was from you and then yeah.
Okay. I've got it. Ukuzenda unake beka right. Yeah.
Being a parent isn't about having all the answers. It's about showing up. Little moments, big impact with Old Mutual on the touchdown.
Metro FM. It's where you want to be.
So, Mizi, I believe that the bones are ready to be read. What you got?
Oh. Anonymous.
Yes.
So you asked Uguti, what if your spirituality tells you, Uguti, you must help this guy, ne? Okay. So I want to check something. You had your previous ex, ne? You left him because he cheated on you, and it.
Correct.
Yeah.
Correct.
Yes,
100%.
exactly. And you were very hurt. Text message angena.
No, there's no message. It was, yeah.
Okay, sharp. So, you were very heartbroken.
Not really. I expected it.
Yes, but when it first happened, you were very heartbroken. And he did it several times, right?
Yeah.
But the first time you were very heartbroken because you really loved this guy, right?
True.
Right.
True.
So you see, I've told you what happened without you telling me. You understand?
I understand.
Sometimes actually spirit ingqondo yakho nje ekutshela nje izinto it's your mind. Sathanda yonke into sithi siyaboniswa si spirit kunama scammers la ngaphandle. I just scammed you right now and acted as if ngiyaboniswa. Angiboniswa next. So I understand ukuthi nami ngavula induba yami kucwala kube ne line because yonke ithi guess work and you hope ukuthi is toward the right direction. Usule ngiconvincile ukuthi you were heartbroken when you said you were not heartbroken. You said you expected that. No. Remember the first time you did it? Because why? I generalize. It happens to most of us. We do have an ex that once broke our hearts. We do have an ex that cheated on us. We all at some point, 16-year-old or 12-year-old, we do have. And mina as a clever, I will find that one later now. So our spirit you must help here. It's your conscience and your good heart and your vulnerable and gullible heart that says you must help him.
So should she look? She's in total bliss right
yes.
now. She's living in total bliss. But then should she still date this guy but half-heartedly so?
No.
Or what
she should
do?
date this guy full-heartedly so,
yeah.
but not full materially so.
Why ngamfaki ku budget?
No, but she must be careful with this guy. Does not take advantage,
okay,
and does not become a liability.
Okay,
there's nothing wrong with helping your partner. Because I'm a village.
Yes.
One day it's going to be him helping you,
yeah,
and you are there for him in tough days.
Some days he's at the top, sometimes you'll be at the bottom.
Exactly.
Yes.
Yeah, so at the moment you are a woman on top.
Yes.
Right?
You are blessed.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Window seal.
Yes, and most of the time, women on top, they are just a blessing.
I wouldn't know. I'm always sound.
Look, a little boyfriend allowance never hurt anybody. You just set aside the amount of money that you can spare. Right? For now, you set aside the amount of money that you can spare. But as per your budget, when he demands more, come on, you need to have a certain, like a full stop to say, I do not have any more after this. Because remember, you're still helping him to build himself. I mean, women love a man in uniform, and he's out there at every mall doing promotions. And you go see him and you see him in that uniform and you love seeing a man that's hustling, right? Because it's not like he's not doing anything. So if you
he's trying.
Yeah, so if you are blessed, there's nothing wrong with you being a little bit of a blessing to him, but don't be dumb at it. All right?
Bro. 14 rand 50.
Women love a man in chicken uniform.
But I've said it before. Ayiko into emnandi jenge people are a broke. Yo. I blame anonymous. I blame you. It has all the time in the world and no stress summer pills. But good luck next time. I see you South Africa good batin. Let's hear.
Okay.
Okay, my baby.
Okay.
Your shame.
Thank you.
You're welcome, my love.
Okay.
Play the voice notes.
Good morning, Metro FM. Anonymous, just want to say to you, Balega, sis. It's still early. I was in a similar situation with you. Okay, as a university to go another province, and I was working the side. So I used to send him money, said stories and what's not. To your point of introduce the Kagibo Bazalbaki, Sidla Amalaj and Abazalbaki. Only to find out to go to moon to Lemel any sendayo or ye can a girlfriend yake go that province. Saying when a girlfriend posted on social media or am take guy. So it's still early, Sissy, it's still early. They'll go to Upa Lake. Thank you, bye.
Anonza, we are living in the Ramaphosa economy. Balega, Ngonyawo zombini. It's only been 2 months. There's no need to complicate things, Anonza. Run, Simba, and never look back.
Hi, my people. Anonza, vele. Abantu ababroke, you're gonna feel the connection and you wanna see the need of helping them. Ingqondo yakho seyikutshelile already. And we're gonna give you advice or no, let him go whatsoever, until it clicks in you, in your heart. You will never let him go. Yo, abafana. I just remember that Sunday, Umonyo Velewati, can you please transfer me 20 rand? That time I'm waiting for him to go to a date. and he asking for 20 rand. That's where I drop the ball. No lala.
Yeah, ne.
Yeah, ne.
No, good rough. Ran
Simba ran.
No, yeah, good rough. Do you have anything else, Kuto?
On my side, nothing else.
Okay. So, you know, hey guys, man, we've seen it all, man. That's why we can spot a scammer from a distance. And, when you date a guy or a lady, because it goes both ways, that is just using you. And they know what they are good there and you are dizzy. They know, trust me, they know. Do you know what there are guys, I'm talking about guys from my experience. There are guys that would be dating you, and once a week they would probably ask you for like 500 rands, ne? Yeah. And say, and it only change. You could be talking on the phone now, and then at the end of the call you go, bye bye baby, bye bye baby. Immediately drop the phone, they text it, and they go, baby, you know what I says a ne, aungzami, ne?
Yeah.
Right. Then you're like, oh gosh. Then you're caught between, if I don't, they're gonna be angry and leave you, and now you're gonna miss out on the great Kunatra, or Piplata. Then you find out this guy, because sometimes they make a mistake of not knowing we are friends or we know each other.
Yeah.
They could be asking 9 other guys for 500 rands on that day. And the chances are they can get 500 rands from each and every guy, because most of us are just successful people with low self-esteem.
Yo, okay.
And he'll get 5,000 rands.
Okay, so let me get this straight. No? Remember, we all have different gifts. Sometimes you've got that. Sometimes you have a financial gift. Sometimes you have the gifts of the bedroom.
Yeah.
So come on, if Anonymous has the finances and he's gifted in the bedroom, don't they both benefit from the relationship?
Can't you in?
Okay.
Exactly, that's your answer.
You are such a child, yes? Save us.
Everyone at McDonald's has finished. All right. No, the Naked DJ, Somizi, thank you so much. Truly appreciate you. Anonymous, you're always the star of the show. Thank you for calling in to Ask a Man. We truly appreciate you. In South Africa, thank you always for your advice. No matter where we are broadcasting from, no matter where we are, you come through to Advice Anonymous. All right, Hobbity's on standby. I think it's time for us to get into the news. It is almost